Oh, okay. After hearing Dr. Mark Brackett say that emotions are signal, and this is where my own mindset started arguing with the idea. So, okay, hear me out. My question is, if our emotions are signals, what are we actually supposed to do with them, right? So, okay, because my usual mindset is every time I'm anxious, that means something is wrong. And my usual action is fix it, figure it out, and do something. But Dr. Mark Brackett's explanation made me look it differently. So, okay, what if anxiety isn't necessarily telling me that something is wrong? What if it's telling me that something matters? Anger might be pointing to a boundary. Sadness might be telling you that you lost something important. And that's where I realized something. An emotion can give you information without getting to make the decision. Yes, I can listen to what I'm feeling without automatically obeying it. And I think that's the part of emotional intelligence I'm starting to understand. Yes, we're allowed to feel the emotions, understand the signal, then decide what to do with it. And that actually made me curious about something. Like, how do we even know what emotion we're actually feeling? And that's what I'm exploring next. Okay?